Hello everyone. Today we're going to have a close look at the situations people can face while renting, viewing, or buying a flat or a house. But before the dialogue, let's look at these words and collocations. A landlord, a landlady, property, real estate manager, owner, rent a flat, rent out, rent payment, move out, accommodation, a flatmate, a roommate, tenants. Let's look at these situations. Hello, can I speak to the real estate manager? Hello, this is the real estate manager speaking. I'm calling about the house for rent on Green Street. Is it still available? Yes. Would you be interested in viewing the property? I'd love to see it. Are you free tomorrow at around 7 o'clock? Good, that time suits me. Do you need directions? No, thank you. I have a friend who lives in the neighborhood. Do I need to bring anything? No, just bring yourself. When planning to view a home, you might also ask these questions. I wanted to know if the house on Green Street is still available for rent. Or, I was wondering if the house on Green Street is still available. You might hear these answers. We haven't rented it out yet. Would you like to see it? Or, it's still available. Would you like to see inside the house? Looking for an apartment. Can you advise me? What's the best way to find an apartment? I suppose it's the local newspaper with housing ads. You could also use a website to find apartments. What's the best way to find a roommate to share a flat with? You can post an advertisement for a roommate. What do landlords charge for rent? About £500 a month. You might also ask for advice. When you need an apartment, where do you look for one? Or, how did you find your apartment? To know the rental price, you might ask, how much do apartments cost around here? Or, are apartments expensive in this district? Viewing a house.
Which house is it?
It's that one. I have the key. Let's look inside.
What a cozy and light house. The dining room is enormous.
Yes, but the kitchen is quite small. Let's go upstairs.
3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Wonderful.
This is your bedroom. It's your favorite color, light blue.
It's wonderful, Dad.
Today, we've had a close look at typical conversations while viewing a house and looking for an apartment. Now it's time to make up our own dialogue. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.